Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So this is a Jetson Bolt Pro in the box, and I want to make this new video about the cheapest bike I bought. It cost me about $250 with tax already included in California, but the price was like $225 before taxes after 10% discount, refurbished. And that's the reason I'm making this video, to see how good quality is the refurbished one, if it's worth to pay extra at Costco or to buy the refurbished one, because this is the cheapest bike for under 250 bucks. You cannot really beat it. This video will include to see how good quality this bike comes in the box. Also, I'll do speed hug. I will connect Bluetooth to it and go for a ride to see if the speed hug still works. It's not as fast gonna be, like about 90 miles per hour, but at least we'll see if it can go up to that speed as before. And this video is not sponsored, so please hit like and subscribe to my channel. Also, you can check the description if you're interested to see the speed hug in details. This bike came a little bit damaged box, so hopefully it's not damaged inside. Looks like a brand new seat comes inside. It comes really nice packed inside. Looks like a brand new bike. I noticed the fenders already attached. The tires looks like brand new. It's a little bit dusty. Maybe it was a display model, I'm not sure. This one looks like it's brand new at all. It looks like brand new bike to me. Should be pedals inside and the charger. So there's high possibility nobody ever rode this bike, because the pedals, everything packed as brand new. Yep, brand new pedals and everything looks like brand new. Wow, what a deal. $225 for this bike. I'm gonna remove the cover and connect to Bluetooth, the one I have from Bolt, and see if I can increase the speed on it. But I think it's a great deal even if you're not buying for increased speed. Just as a bike, it came completely brand new. Only thing I think was missing the cover from here, like plastic, but the tires looks like brand new. Everything looks like brand new. The seat was brand new. Basically everything was made almost 2 years ago, October 2020. Wow. So this is older model, so it should be able to go up to 90 miles per hour. I pumped the tires to 38 psi front, the rear is 40 psi. I think it's enough for me. If you need more, you can go up to 45. I checked the bolts, everything looks good. I don't see any problems. The brakes looks good. I adjust the brakes a little bit, but everything looks good. Have no problem so far. I'm gonna go for a test ride before I will do speed hug. It's pretty simple. Fully charge it and go for the speed test to see what's the top speed right now. Now I'm gonna do the speed test. Throttle only. So it's going 10 miles an hour, 11, 12, 13. It should hit like 14 miles on the full charge. The reason 14 because this bike going up to 15 and a half top speed out of the box, and the GPS about 2 miles shown less, so it's shown on GPS only 13. The top speed was 14, so that's about right. Now it's 14, 13, so it's basically about 15 and a half top speed with me riding on it, and I weigh 250 pounds. So if you ride it, you might get like 15 miles maybe at top speed on it. So it's pretty accurate, like out of the box, pretty good, but it's not as fast. That's why I'm gonna do speed hack. I connect Bluetooth to the Jetson Bolt Pro. The Bluetooth I removed from Bolt bicycle, and it's connecting. Found the product. I enter the password, all 6 zeros. Some people ask me what password. It's just 0000 6 times. So I installed the Bluetooth already, and now I'm gonna make the speed 19 miles to see if it works. Looks like it's supposed to work. So you click on the settings over here, and then you're going over here and just pull this all the way up, and it would say 19 miles right here. Wow. And okay, and go back, and let's see, there's no load. Okay, looks like it works. And before it was only like 16. So now I'm gonna go for a test ride. So now I'm gonna use the GPS to see how fast with GPS it can go. I'm still remember that pedal assist need to be disabled, but so far it's going 15 miles, which is faster than before. Yeah. It keeps 15 miles, so it's at least 1.5 miles faster than previous test. 16. Okay, so it's about 2 miles faster, and I gained about 15 pounds since last year, so I'm more heavy today, I guess. Alright guys, so I made this few tests. As you could see, the speed hack worked. It gave you 2 miles more than it was out of the box, but I noticed few problems with the refurbished one. First, it listed as October 2020, and the battery inside looked like was 2021. When I rode first time, the battery supposed to be full charge, but I didn't feel the power, so I charged the battery. And after the speed hack, I went for good ride. I rode 6 miles, 6.5 miles on this bike to see if there is actually a problem. And I found one of the problem. I'll show you right now. Okay. So I want to show you the problem with the refurbished one. So the battery lasts about 6.5 miles on throttle only, which is not bad. The battery is not as new, because when I open this and connect Bluetooth, the Bluetooth gave me exactly how many miles this bike rode, like from controller. So it says 28 miles, as you can see on the screen. Then I was kind of surprised that Bluetooth showed me 73% battery, but on the bar it would show me full. So I went to ride for 6.5 miles on this bicycle total, and it still showed me 4 bar. I would say, oh, it's great, but actually the battery almost dead already. It cannot pull me. So basically the battery lasts for 6.5 miles. This is a piece which would not show you right indication, so it will show you always that it's fully charged, which is not good at all. So that's a problem this bike came with. First, I was very happy that the bike looks like it's brand new. I don't really need this bicycle. I can return it because it's defected. They probably never fix it. They just make it look good, and they sold it as refurbished. So here's the problem with the refurbished one. First, you don't get this good return policy. There's no really warranty. Only like 1 month, 30 days, I think, return policy, and warranty is 30 days or 90 days. I'm not sure exactly, but I would not recommend to buy refurbished, regardless how cheap they are, unless you are planning to change the battery and controller and to put like a monitor, because The bike came as new. I could see everything was as new, but it does need to be replacing this display for the battery. Also, the battery probably will need to be replaced because it drained after 6 miles, which is not as good. I think it used to be like 8 miles, maybe more. But again, it's not that bad, but it's not as good. And that's all about the battery. So if the battery doesn't have much power left, it will not get you that high speed. So if you're planning to get higher speed, it's a good bicycle to buy if you're planning to do all this modification, new battery, new controller and stuff. Then it's a good buy. But if you're not planning to do that and just ride as is, better buy at Costco. It's gonna be much cheaper to maintain. For 1 year you don't have to worry much. Also, it's the best return policy. And that's about it. So please guys, subscribe to my new channel, this one, like this video, and I'll see you in the next video. See you later.